Welcome to 60 Seconds with Ketch. Let's talk about what to do when somebody sends you a hose that still has the pressure on it. I should be able to push this center in, but I cannot. So one thing that I can do is I can lock it in this vise, and I can take a dull object, put it there, hit it with a hammer, and spray hydraulic oil in my eyes. But a lot of times out in the field, that option isn't available. You don't have a vise, or the safety man don't want you to get hydraulic oil in your eyes or some kind of ridiculous thing like that. So all you have to do is loosen the fitting up and let some of the oil out. It doesn't take much. Doesn't take much. So now I can push this in with my finger. Thanks.